What's today?
Moving day.
All right. Got rid of the girls. We didn't get rid of them. Nana took the girls.
Harsh.
We're going to be packing up and trying to move everything today because
Last night here.
I think we're doing pretty good.
We're getting there. Just gotta start shoving stuff in boxes now.
We have a place to move into, or what are we doing?
I'm gonna bring this giant rug, put it on the floor. Jamie and I and the two girls gonna have a slumber party in one bedroom that is clean and fresh white paint. There's no carpet, but we're gonna put the rug in there and we're gonna just have a slumber party together for the next week.
We were going to move into the camper, but it's like a high of 29 tomorrow, I think, so
Yeah.
still way too cold.
Freezing.
All right, it's crunch time, so I'm just shoving all my clothes in a plastic bag because we ran out of boxes. So
Hey, that is private.
got a mess there.
I'm gonna clean it up.
It's a family affair. Hello.
Oh, hey.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, look at all the surface.
All right.
Here, my baby's hold as many as you can. Slow.
Okay. All right.
Good luck, Dad. Say bye. Bye. Bye.
Easy. Who said we want to have to beside I know.
Oh! Don't lose it.
We don't want to roll down the hill.
How many moves has this made with us? Is this the fourth one?
This may be the fourth one. Turn it. Stay on the ramp.
That's how the Egyptians did it. Wow, good work.
All right. Bye, house. See you later. It's been fun.
It's gorgeous. First night in the new house. What do you think, Gru?
Yeah, good.
You like it?
Yeah.
So pretty.
Ooh. Let's take a look at what we got here.
How is the floor
Wow.
doing? How is the floor doing?
Oh, it looks great. We're living here. Oh, wow. Wait, let's go upstairs though. It's looking better up here. Okay, bathroom needs some work. This is where we're gonna have a sleepover. This is our playroom. Pretty cute.
Negro horns. Oh, yeah. Give me that food. You having fun? Ruby, do you like your bedroom?
Uh-huh.
What's your favorite part?
The map. My seal map.
Your zoo map? Oh, wow. Very cool. Hello, guys.
Hey, you guys.
Watching what? Frozen?
Watching Frozen. So what we did is we put down rugs in here so it was a safe place for our girls to play for the week. And then tomorrow we're getting carpet. So we're kind of just making it work, but it turned out really nice. And we've been having some good sleepovers and just having some good family time, right? Yeah. We did it. We moved. We're here.
It was a process, but we did it.
It's been crazy. So we officially handed over the keys and our old house is gone, which is a little sad, but
Not as sad as we thought, though, honestly.
That's true.
We were at our last house for 3.5 years, and we made a lot of memories there.
Yeah.
We poured our heart and soul into that house and said goodbye to it. But I think we're just so excited about this new project that it kind of overshadows the sadness, and we're just...
Well, and I'm really excited about the people who are moving in. It's a family, and like they were so excited, so that made it nice transition to like just like give them a home that I know that they're gonna make lots of memories in, and they're gonna take good care of it. So
yeah.
But yeah, we've been having so much fun here because there's like deer and owls. We caught a raccoon.
We catch a raccoon that was in the attic or in the roof.
Yes, we set him free
yes,
very far away.
Yes.
But lots of wildlife around.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the girls are like, it's been so fun to see them like enjoying nature, and like we take walks in the woods and we go out on the playground, and like it's just been such a cool thing for our family. So
yeah, we feel very blessed by God that we
Yeah.
even have this house and for this opportunity. So
yeah,
the sadness of the leaving the old house has really not been affecting us. So
cool things ahead, and
we have a lot of distractions right now with all the chaos going on because things are crazy. We have a babysitter here right now.
yeah.
We have 2 contractors coming today. Walls are maybe coming down today. So that's going to be amazing.
I
It's
can't wait.
going to look great.
Yep, we got the beams in our house already. They just got to put them in. Yeah, but we've been working hard over here. Plus moving and just trying to get settled. Carpets in upstairs, that looks great. Kind of putting the girls' rooms back together has felt very just settling and good. Like, you know, Ruby's just happy to have like her stuff back, and that just feels more normal. Yeah, so we're doing good.
We're in our master bedroom right now, which has tons of stuff in it. We're sleeping upstairs until we can get downstairs all set with the hardwood floors and stuff. So
Yeah, so this is my plant room for now. All my plants are in here.
So we're not quite settled yet ourselves, but
No.
the girls are, and that's good. Moving this time was much harder than other times in our marriage. I think from our last house when we moved in, we came from a 2-bedroom apartment, and I think we just gathered a ton of stuff while we were
Well,
at our
with
last
kids.
house. And kids, yeah.
Kids have so much junk. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, I would
But-
say well over half of our stuff is all kids, toys, clothes.
And we try not to
beds.
like hoard that stuff, but man, it just adds up. But our families helped so much. We got so much done in like 2 days. It was so thankful for everybody who helped us.
So you may not have quite understood this from our past videos, but we were planning on having carpet installed before we move in. But we found out that it was delayed. For some reason, they had a lot of other people on the schedule. So we were going to move into our camper. Because at the time, the weather was like 60 degrees outside. We're like, you know what, it'll be fine. We'll hang out in our camper for a week until they can install carpet. But the weather turned for the worst here in Michigan. It's all over the place. And we had some like 20-degree days. We had some
Freezing.
snow.
Yeah.
So that option kind of went out the window. So we ended up having to sleep on the floor with mattresses and no carpet. So
Well, I put in all my big rugs.
Yes.
We had like a slumber party. It was kind of fun. It was good memories.
but yeah, had to keep boots on, you know, because of all the tack strips and staples and stuff. But
We made it as safe as we could, and yeah, we've just been keeping shoes on and stuff, but it's much better now.
yeah, I mean, I like what you said. It's really, we're making memories. You know, it's something we can look back on and laugh someday. And the girls are having tons of fun riding their little cars around. It's, you know, you don't have to be careful about breaking anything. It's been kind of fun.
So stay tuned because we have a lot of projects coming up. We're working hard. This is what we're doing. We got walls coming down, and it's going to be exciting. So stick around.
See you next time, guys. Bye.
Bye.